Welcome to today's edition of What's New in QuickBooks 2019. Something really cool that I like that they have added this year is this history for invoice. So once you open up your invoice, and again, you can do that either through Customer, go to Customer Center, or Create Invoice and go back to a previous invoice. Regardless of how you open it, once you have the invoice open on your screen, you can be able to click See History, and it will give you the details of that invoice. If you are using QuickBooks Payments, where you're able to email your invoices and they can click on it and pay with either bank information or credit card, then you will see that information here as well. You'll see when they have viewed the invoice, as well as when they have paid on that invoice, which I think is a super cool feature. You have all of that right at your fingertips. So let me know what else you'd like to see, and we'll do some great new videos on QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online coming soon.